Welcome to Die Casting News. Today's big story is the massive growth in the aluminum casting market. So let's talk numbers. Back in 2022, the global market was valued at $72.9 billion. And get this, it's projected to hit nearly $125 billion by 2032. That represents a solid compound annual growth rate of 5.6%. So, what's fueling this incredible expansion? Let's break down the key factors. The big drivers are rising OEM demand, huge needs in automotive, and new construction. Okay, now let's see which casting processes are actually leading the charge right now. As you can see, the die casting segment grabbed the largest share of revenue in 2022, and it's expected to hold that top spot throughout the entire forecast period. But keep an eye on permanent mold casting. It's growing fast thanks to demand for personal vehicles. Now, let's zoom out and look at the geography. One region is absolutely dominating this market. The Asia-Pacific region was the powerhouse in 2022, holding over half the entire market. This growth is really being fueled by the region's booming electronics and transportation sectors. And within this region, today's reports are highlighting India as a key country to watch. The country is really positioning itself as a major contributor to the global supply chain. Companies like Endurance Technologies and Rockman Industries are noted as major market participants. To recap, the market is booming, die casting is still king, and Asia-Pacific is the engine. So the big question for you is, how will your operation adapt to these market dynamics? We'll keep bringing you the data you need. Thanks for watching Die Casting News.